Jai Srimanarayana. First sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sannyasasya Mahabaho Tattvamichhami Veditum Tyagasya cha Hrishikesa Prudhakkesi Nishudana Om. Doubts are like demons. Do not let them remain in your mind. Approach Jagadguru Sri Krishna Paramatma through his teachings Bhagavad Gita. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall definitely approach you through Bhagavad Gita to clarify all my doubts. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Mahalakshmi Devi, while holding beautiful garland, she is searching for the one who is filled up with so many divine auspicious attributes. She is walking in the middle of so many people. In that process, she has seen Mukunda, Bhagavan Mukunda, Sarvagunaihi Apekshitaha Mukundam, the one who has no dosham, no contamination at all. The one who is filled up with so many divine attributes, that one is Mukunda. The one who is an embodiment of auspiciousness, such one is Mukunda. The one who is Paripurna, that one is Mukunda. Mahalakshmi Devi went to that Mukunda, though Mukunda was not desiring her, she offered that Vanamala into Mukunda's kantham, Mukunda's neck. And she accepted Mukunda as her husband. Suddhakarunyamurti Vimalundu Tirugadu Nilakada Kalavadu Sadhu Rakshakundu. Mahalakshmi Devi felt that Mukunda is a personification of compassion and no dosham, and always stable, always protects the good. That is why she worshipped Mukunda, and then she offered Vanamala into Mukunda's neck. Tasya amsa dese vusatim Navakanjamalam. Mahalakshmi Devi, who is also known as Rama Devi, went close to Mukunda and then offered that Navakamalamala into Mukunda's neck, and then Tat Vuraha Swadhama Savridahasa Vikasat Nayanena Yata. She is seeking a place in the heart of Mukunda. She is seeking place, a living place for her in the heart of Mukunda. While doing that, while showing some shyness, while giving a beautiful smile, while looking at Mukunda with her beautiful eyes, she is now standing near Mukunda. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter 1st sloka. Sannyasasya mahabaho tattvamichhami veditum tyagasya cha hrishikesa pradhakkesi nishodana. Sannyasasya mahabaho tattvamichhami veditum tyagasya cha hrishikesa pradhakkesi nishodana. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.